Minecraft, but I have dimension. Minecraft, but I have dimension. And so, we need to get a tree. And so, we need to get a tree and craft a working stop. We from that will craft a working witch. They need to get a tree and a no tree and make a work niche stop, and from that will I make a work that we need to get a tree. We need to get a tree stop. And did I make a greeting? Minecraft, but I have dimension. I'll get a tree and make a workbench. But did I say hello? Minecraft, but I have dimension. Which I am doing anyway.